Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix NFS Unbound is not saving, or the gaming process is not saving, and how we can fix this up. So few users are having this trouble, so we're going to talk about that. The first one is all about you have to allow the game exe file to the antivirus or Windows security. For that, just follow the instruction. So here, to add on Windows security, go over here in the search for control panel. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here you have to add it. So here it might be already added, but if it's not this case, you have to add it manually. For that, just click on allow another app, go for browse. Now go to this PC. This is where the game is installed in my case. If it's in any other local disk on your case, you can select the respective one. Go for local disk C, program file 86. Scroll down and navigate to Steam. Now select Steam app. Go to common. Select Excalibur. Now from here, you have to select Excalibur. Now from here you have to add the application. So there is need for Speed Unbound. So select this one. Now it is added. Go for add. So here it is added successfully, and now as you can see, and also make sure the private and public both should be checked. It should not be unchecked. So that is important, and once it is done, just try to play the game. We can do the same for the Windows for the antivirus also. Once it is done, see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. And moving to the next one is all about you have to make sure that is Windows username does not have any special characters. For that, just go to this PC of your computer. Now from here, go to local disk C. Now go to users. Now from here, as you can see, this is my name, Sahel. Okay, so here there is no any characters. It is all alphabet. As you can see, it is make sure that there is no any characters are there. If any characters are there, just rename it. It is quite important. So you have to rename it, and after renaming it, you can see most probably you will be able to fix, because this is also a factor that is causing this issue. So there should not be any characters. It should be alphabets. So once you make sure that also, it is also quite important. And next one is all about you have to verify the game file. For that, just go to Steam. Now this is the game. Select the respective game, right click and go to properties. Click on local file. Click on verify integrity of game file. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So here why this step is very important, and many of the users neglect it. So because verify integrity of game file is actually fixing if any files are missed or any files are corrupted, and all these kind of issues are fixed from this end. So that is the reason why I'm recommending you again and again, you have to try with this. You have to fix the issue, and you have to try with this one. The verify integrity of game file is quite important. You have to wait for unless it get completed. And the next step is all about you have to delete the save game file. That I'll show you that like when you're trying to play the game, automatically the game files will be saved in documents. If you open this, you can see the need for Speed Unbound is already added here. So you have to delete it. But when you're trying to delete it, make sure that if you have already crossed some of the stages of the game, for example, if you played, whatever you played will be completely lost, and you have to start from the scratch. But deleting it and trying to play the game once again has worked for many of the users. So that's why I'm recommending you guys, so you can try with this. And these are the workaround which you have to try when you're having the game is not saving, your gaming process is not saving issue when you're trying to play the NFS Unbound. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.